Hey, we've got a 1965 Mustang, and it's not your typical Mustang. It is a GT. So many of the Mustangs out there have GT badges slapped on them. This is a GT. It has the A code for the 289 four-barrel performance motor. It has the fog lights, the wheels, disc brakes up front, the GT exhaust. It's an older rotisserie restoration, California-built car. It's got a 4-speed sitting in between the pony deluxe seats. Go to volocars.com and you'll see 200 classic cars, all for sale, and each one will have a price tag on it and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, beautiful burgundy metallic, and it does have very, very tiny metallic in there, but they are there just enough to give it a little sparkle when the light hits it. Very straight. The hood is square, fits beautifully. Top of the fender is real nice and straight. The fender's all nice and clean, smooth. All around here is all nice. The pillars are not cracked. The roof is straight. The doors are nice and clean. And look how square and flush that they fit. Jambs are painted real nicely. No, oh, that shuts nice too. All solid, no vinyl top, all nice paint. All clean trunk compartment, or trunk lid, I should say. The rear panels straight. All this is looking really good. There's a little touch up in the paint right here, a little nick, a little touch up on the edge of the trunk lid there. All nice, clean. Look at the reflection of my hand. Beautiful. This door looks like it lines up just as square and straight, pops right open. Jambs were all painted. Oh, look at that. Shuts like a new car. I don't see any door dents or dings. It is really straight. And again, just fits beautifully. The body is really excellent on this car. A couple tiny chips on the very edge of the hood. So the paint is very, very nice. Remember, it's an older restoration. So it has the GT fog lamps with the running pony in the middle here in the grill. Now the GT fog lamps, I just turned them on. The tail lights come on with them. That's how they originally were set up. A lot of guys that add the fog lamps just have them wired separate, but this is correct. Another indicator it's a real GT. The emblems, the trim, the bumper, all that's beautiful. It has the 289V emblem, that's sparkling. The GT emblem in the right place, the Mustang letters, correct antenna. The windshield, I'm sure, has been replaced. It's real nice and clear. Looks like all the stainless trim was probably replaced when they restored the car. It's a nice 9 out of 10. Same with the door handles, nice and shiny. 15-inch reproduction GT wheels with the burgundy or maroon center caps, all chrome, sparkling with some Goodyear Eagle tires on it. Tail lights are replaced, the bumper. See the stainless GT tips coming out through the valance. Gas cap was replaced. All that's looking really good. Original rear window has a few light scratches like they mostly all do. So nice looking car. I like that color a lot. The white stripe along the bottom's looking real good. Let's open it up. I'll show you that pony interior and the A-code motor. Well, we've got a lot of goodies here in this trunk. Well, first of all, underneath the trunk lid's painted beautifully. The latch mechanism looks like it's new. The bolts are clean. The weather strip was replaced. And the jamb is just as nice also. Now you got a few nice signs that will go with the car, talking about the car. These are from the previous owner. Comes with a picture board here. Here's a picture of the engine out of it during the restoration. And then some miscellaneous literature must have been part of this car show. That's probably the car right there, yeah, with the yellow fog lamps. Anyway, the whole inside is painted the body color, has a nice plaid matte. It has a matching new tire and wheel for a spare. That's a nice combination. They have all 5 of them. Most people don't pay the extra money to get matching tire and wheel. So real nice clean trunk compartment. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon, you'll be notified as new videos are posted. And as I said earlier, the jambs really are painted nicely. The sill plates were replaced. Now this is the deluxe pony interior that includes the molded door panels, and look at the knife handle door opener. That looks new. The window cranks look new. It has working lights down below, and it also has the speakers built into the doors. Looking at the dash pad, probably been replaced. It's mint. This whole instrument panel has been replaced. All the chrome is shiny. All the knobs look real good. And this is a retro digital stereo. Fit right in the factory hole. Glove compartment, the liner's been replaced. The interior lights work. You can see they're on. Has reproduction pony floor mats. Real nice fitting carpets, not even wrinkled. And then here we go. We got the original 4-speed with the reverse lockout. Now the seats, you can tell they got new cushions in them. They're nice and firm and fit real nice. And it's the deluxe with the running horses on it, the pony interior. It does have seat belts in the front. It's added retractable 3-point safety belts for the front people. Seat belts were not required yet in 1965. So same matching pony back seat, been reupholstered. Side panels have been reupholstered. Looks like it has some speakers in the back. Headliner's been replaced. It looks real good. Visors replaced. A new day and night mirror was installed. The deluxe steering wheel reproduction, all sparkly chrome, nice wood grained rim. So really a pretty darn nice interior. I don't really have anything bad to say about it. Mustangs are as classic as baseball and apple pie. 289A code motor, so that's a 4-barrel, making 225 horsepower. Someone did dress it up with some Cobra valve covers, but it's all stock manifolds and components. Firewall's clean, the metal's nice and smooth and clean and painted real nice. All the components look proper. This is an upgraded aluminum radiator. They painted the top black to look stock. The horns are up here, they work. Fuel pump looks new. Again, just all nice, clean, proper. That's the proper master cylinder for the disc brakes. You couldn't get power disc brakes at that time. And under the hood's painted up. So again, older restoration, but they did a really nice job. And you got a real GT here. Michael's going to show you how nice it runs. And I'll see you in a few minutes.
Due to some harsh winter weather conditions, we're forced to temporarily do our test drives inside our showrooms virtually. We will continue with regular test drives around the block as soon as weather permits, but until that time, we certainly hope you enjoy our multi-camera startups.
So I probably should have read this before I did the video. That t-shirt and that poster is of this car. And this information here, a real GT built in California, sold to a guy in the same city as the plant. It was in California almost all of its life, never rusty. The car was rotisserie restored in 2008 with great attention to detail. It was restored by a new Ford store, and it was a St. Jude giveaway donation. The car was won and then put in storage in a collection. So yeah, that's interesting. This is a giveaway car, California car most of its life. So underneath the car is solid, the floors, the frame rails, all that looks real nice and clean, and they've been painted in the primer like it would have been originally. It does look like all the suspension and steering was redone, even the rear leaf springs, bushings, upgraded with gas shocks. The brake system was redone. Again, it has disc in front. The lines were replaced. The e-brake cables are hooked up. The fuel system was replaced. The tank, the sending unit, the lines. The proper dual exhaust. It has a little crossover pipe, factory style mufflers, even has little resonators in back, and then the tips coming out. You look up at the motor, it's nice and clean. A correct starter and all the components all look stock. It has the proper 4-speed. I think it's a T10 4-speed that's in there. And then it's got the proper rear end in it. It's a posi. I don't remember the ratio. I'll put it on the description on our website. I think it's a 3.00 ratio, but it is a posi rear end. So you got a nice car here. GT 4-speed, A code, beautiful colors, pony interior. Just go have a lot of fun with it. Easy to maintain this car, easy to get parts for. There's all sorts of events and clubs and things you can participate in, and then they're easy to resell when you're done with it. Next guy will be lined up for it. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get your GT delivered to your door. If you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.